In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print emails without cutting off on the side in Outlook. If you've ever sent a print job and the right edge of an email gets chopped off, it's usually because the content is wider than the default page setup. Emails often include large images, signature banners, or tables, and those can extend beyond the printable area. We'll fix that by adjusting two simple settings in Outlook. First, the page orientation, and second, the page margins. We'll also use Print Preview to confirm everything looks right before you print. Start by opening the email you want to print and go to File. Then Print. In the Print pane, select Print Options and then click Page Setup. Under the Paper tab, change the orientation from Portrait to Landscape, and click OK. Switching to Landscape gives you more horizontal space, which often resolves edge cutoffs immediately. Take a look at the Print Preview on the right. If all of your text images and tables are fully visible with some breathing room on both sides, you are ready to print. If you still see content nudging past the right edge, we'll make one more adjustment. Next, we'll reduce the side margins to reclaim a bit more printable width. In the Print menu, click Print Options again and open Page Setup. Stay on the Paper tab and find the Margins section. Reduce the left and right margins slightly, something like around 0.7 centimeters to 1.3 centimeters typically works well. Keep the margins balanced so the content remains centered. Be mindful that many printers have a minimum margin they can handle. If you go too small, the printer may automatically adjust or clip. Click OK when you are done. Now, check the Print Preview one more time. Scroll through if the message spans multiple pages to make sure tables, images, and long lines of text are fully visible and not pushed off the sides. If you still see a slight cutoff, nudge the margins a little further within safe limits, then preview again. The goal is to keep the content inside the dotted printable area while preserving readability. Once the preview looks correct, you can proceed to print. Choose your printer if needed, confirm the settings you just applied, and send it to print. If you frequently print wide emails, remember these settings so you can repeat them quickly next time. And if you prefer Portrait for everyday documents, you can always switch back after you are done. That's it. No more clipped edges on your Outlook email prints. Thanks for watching.